Hello, welcome back to another session with your War Chef. Today I am making a mutton curry. Mutton I have slowly cooked with some onion, ginger, garlic paste and pinch of turmeric. But the bread what I am going to eat is using lot of greens. To make my roti for this mutton, because that is going to be fully flavored with coconut milk and other, I am going to make a roti which is also nutritious. I have collected 5-6 different variety of greens from my farm. Chop them and you can use your favorite flour. You can use sorghum, you can eat wheat flour, you can use any of the millet flours to make this roti. First, microwave this just for like 2-3 minutes. Just microwave this for like 2 minutes or less. Then look at it. The leaf is all wilted and to this add flour. Do not add too much flour. The whole idea is to eat more of greens. And this is the best roti you can ever have. Just mix all of this. It's nice and hot. When you use the millet flour, you want it to be hot. So now make a roti with this. I don't even add salt because my mutton curry will have enough salt. This is a little bit of tough meat. What I did is I cooked this mutton with some chopped onion, ginger garlic paste and some turmeric. That's it. First get the entire juices out. The meat is cooked in pressure cooker. The meat is nice and soft. Now what do we add in this mutton stock? Lot of green chilies. Put the green chilies in the ding chick and crush it, or you can even chop and add it. This one will ensure that the flavor is nicely spread. I'm going to add red chili powder and meat masala, or you can add some coriander powder, garam masala and cumin powder. I'm adding meat masala. To this, I'm going to add coconut milk. This is fully flavored with coconut milk. So add coconut milk to this and let this cook till the flavor is just awesome. Then we're going to add salt and the meat, and then in just 2 minutes the meat curry will be ready. Most simplest mutton curry. I'm going to add some salt to this and the mutton pieces what I have cooked in the pressure cooker. I'm going to cook it till it shines on the top and make sure the salt is enough. The gravy is slightly thickened and you need to get this shine. That's when you add a lot of coriander. The coconut milk mutton curry, when you add coriander, it will enhance the flavor even more. Wow, look at this. These are my 70% greens and 30% flour. I use sorghum flour. When you use the greens, the sorghum roti becomes much more easier. And I'm using the fat that I have removed from the top of the cooked mutton. So do not add too much, just this much. Coconut milk mutton curry. This is one of my favorites, and I'm eating 70% greens and 30% flour. That is, I make this roti with lot of 5-6 variety of greens and make this roti. I've lost more than 50 pounds. That is only possible when you know how to eat right. So, look at this. Eating variety of foods, but the quantities and the quality of the food has completely changed. Be fit, be cool. Mutton curry with this, absolutely divine.